This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. If you have any questions about the instructions in this video or are not comfortable performing the installation demonstrated, contact manufacturer's customer service. When installing the dishwasher, be aware that the electrical supply for the appliance must be 120 volts at 60 Hz. A dedicated circuit is recommended. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect electrical power at the fuse box or circuit breaker box before installing dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. In addition to shutting off the electrical supply, you should also confirm that the water supply valve is fully closed. Refer to the installation manual for a list of recommended tools and parts you may need. If the disposer has not been used in conjunction with the dishwasher before, you will need to knock out the drain tube plug using a screwdriver and hammer. You can use needle nose pliers to remove the plug after knocking it through. Slide the large retaining clamp onto the drain hose and attach the hose to the disposer or the drain pipe if applicable. The drain hose should be looped above the connection point. The connection point itself should be at least 20 inches from the kitchen floor. If the connection point is lower than 20 inches, or when required by code, an air gap must be used to prevent the drain water from siphoning back to the dishwasher. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. If applicable, plug the power cord into the outlet. Turn on the power and open the water supply valve. With the lower access panel off, run the dishwasher to confirm the appliance is filling properly and there are no leaks. Complete the installation by repositioning the access panel, making sure the attached insulation does not interfere with the float assembly and the lower edge of the panel touches the floor. Secure the panel by rotating the fasteners clockwise a quarter turn. The dishwasher should now be ready for use.